the most valuable possession of man. An elder them on chance. He sets a wets a golden hands and he waits for some golden chance that will come way. He keeps on sitting while others are working hard. They are able to achieve what they want. Hard work alone can make us successful and happy. All great men while they did hard work. They never bothered about the nature of the work. If you want such in life, you need to be hard work person. All work is noble. In attack, work is pursuit. In conclusion, hard work is the excel in life, especially in stars, advances and at a job. You need to take charge and work hard. Thank you.
बशीर मौलाना की तरफ से गौसर शेर को तोहफा है, क्लास मारो।